This solves some of the problems which are commonly found with actually when you're vlogging. So this is the wind muff of the Rode Video Micro. Yeah, it's pretty much a night and day experience. This is a really chunky monkey. You put this on top of your camera, on the side of your camera, and it bobbles around, all that kind of stuff. It gets in the way of your viewfinder, or possibly your flippy out screen, or even your flippy up screen if you're on the Sony ecosystem. This thing is tiny, but it actually does a particularly good job, as you'll see later on in the video. Is turn that round, and you know immediately that the microphone is facing you. So if you want to pick up your voice whilst you're doing a voiceover, absolutely great, and then you can quickly flip it around to face towards obviously the action where it's going on.
We're here to test the audio. What does it sound like? 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. So now we're walking forward. The microphone is easily turned around. That's a good feature about this. It just sort of twists. If you're just starting out, your budget's limited, then this is a really, really good option because the sound is really good for something so small. They've obviously put a lot of effort into making the audio as good as possible, and considering it's not powered as well, it does sound really, really good. Some of the plus features of this is it's got a inbuilt shock mount. So actually in this actual device, very small device, there is a shock mount built into here, so you're not going to get any vibrations or knock.